Over 90% of drivers are flushing money down the drain because they don't realize these pro-level car hacks are even possible. But here's the real shocker. One specific trick in this video can save you a $4,000 engine rebuild, and your mechanic is banking on you never learning it. You've been overlooking these simple, physics-based solutions your entire life while the automotive industry profits off your ignorance. Before you spend another dime on professional services, let's pull back the curtain on 17 brilliant car hacks you 100% need to know. Trick number 16, foil your key fob. This isn't tin hat paranoia, it's modern digital defense. If you have a push-to-start car, thieves are currently using relay attacks. They stand outside your front door with an amplifier that grabs the signal from your keys on the kitchen counter and beams it to your car in the driveway. Your car thinks you're standing right next to it with the key. Click, they're in and gone in 20 seconds. The high-tech solution, a Faraday cage, but you don't need to buy a $30 shielded pouch. 3 layers of standard aluminum foil wrapped around your fob creates a continuous conductive envelope that blocks all RF signals. If you want to be fancy, line a small decorative tin with foil and drop your keys in when you get home. It's a literal wall of protection that costs $0. Have you ever checked to see if your car still recognizes your key through a foil wrap? Try it, it's a wake-up call. Trick number 15, baby powder door seal fix. Does your car sound like a haunted house every time you hit a bump? Or maybe the doors stick to the frame on humid mornings? That's the sound of your EPDM rubber seals drying out and losing their structural integrity. A dealership will happily quote you $300 to replace these weather strips. Instead, grab a bottle of baby powder. These rubber seals are porous. They need to stay supple to create an airtight, silent bond. Rubbing a light coating of talc-based powder into the seals acts as a dry lubricant. Unlike silicone sprays, which can sometimes attract dust and turn into a grinding paste, baby powder stays dry, reduces friction, and prevents the rubber from bonding to the metal frame. It's the difference between a silent luxury car ride and a squeaky old truck. Trick number 12, toothpaste and wax headlight overhaul. Cloudy yellowed headlights aren't just ugly, they're a major safety hazard, reducing your night vision by up to 70%. Restoration kits are expensive, and those as seen on TV wipes usually last about 3 days. The nuclear option involves the chemistry of non-gel toothpaste and car wax. Toothpaste contains hydrated silica, a mild abrasive designed to polish tooth enamel, which is incredibly hard. It's the perfect grit to shave off the oxidized UV-damaged plastic without gouging it. But here is the part everyone misses. You must seal it. Once you've polished the lens clear with toothpaste, apply a high-quality car wax or sealant. This replaces the factory UV coating you just polished off. Without the wax, the plastic will re-oxidize in weeks. With it, you've got factory clarity for the price of a tube of Crest. Trick number 13, ketchup on chrome rims. This sounds like a prank, but the science is undeniable. Chrome and alloy wheels are constantly bombarded by brake dust, which is essentially tiny red-hot shards of metal. Over time, these shards rust and pit your rims. Commercial chrome polishes are often highly caustic. Ketchup, however, contains acetic acid from vinegar and citric acid from tomatoes. This mild acetic combo is perfectly tuned to dissolve iron oxide, or rust, without eating through your wheel's clear coat. Slather it on, let the acidity work for 15 minutes, and watch the tarnish melt away. It's a chemical bath for your wheels that's safe enough to eat. Who knew your condiment drawer was a detailing cabinet? Trick number 11, odor annihilation, coffee grounds. Most car air fresheners are just perfume bombs. They mask the smell of that spilled milk or wet dog without actually removing the molecules. Dealerships use ozone machines, but you have a better tool in your pantry. Dry, used coffee grounds are highly porous and contain nitrogen, which helps neutralize sulfur smells, the rotten part of odors. Put the grounds in a mesh bag or an open bowl and leave them in the car overnight with the windows up. Instead of adding a floral scent on top of a funk scent, the coffee grounds act as a molecular sponge. By morning, the bad smell is gone, replaced by a subtle roasted aroma that dissipates in an hour. It's the ultimate reset button for your interior's air quality. Trick number 10, compressed air seat crack assault. Small seat cracks turn into expensive tears fast. Leather, vinyl repair, or reupholstery hits $300 to $1,000. A $5 to $10 can of compressed air electronics duster reveals everything. Spray upside down along seams and bolsters. The super cold propellant frosts intact material evenly, but highlights cracks as white lines or uneven patterns. Catch hairline issues early for simple filler fixes instead of major work. Shops use this for inspections to justify big quotes. You can do it free in minutes. Found any surprise cracks this way? Comment your findings. Trick number 9. Rubbing alcohol scuff eraser. Parking lot scuffs look like deep damage. Body shops quote $200 for paint work. Most are just transferred paint sitting on your clear coat. 70 to 90% isopropyl alcohol on a microfiber cloth wipes it away in seconds. Dab and wipe straight lines, no circles that could swirl the clear coat. For tougher marks, light toothpaste first, then alcohol finish. Keep a small bottle in the glove box. Saves hundreds and avoids insurance claims. Got a recent scuff? Test this. Did it disappear? Trick number 8. Extend key fob range with your body. Dead battery or huge lot? Hold the fob against your chin, mouth slightly open, and press the button. The water and fluids in your head act as a natural antenna, boosting range noticeably, often doubles it. It's quirky but proven physics. Millions swear by it. Looks silly, works brilliantly when you're desperate. Ever tried this in a parking lot? Did it save you walking? Trick number 7. Simple ignition car reset. Weird warning light, glitchy throttle, random misfire? Before diagnostics, $100 plus, try an ECU soft reset. Key to on, no start, wait 5 to 10 seconds, off. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Or disconnect negative battery cable 10 to 15 minutes. Clears temporary codes and relearns basics on many cars. Fixed countless mystery issues for me over the years. Cleared a light this way? What was the symptom? Trick number 6. Magic eraser steering wheel rescue. Steering wheels get gross. Oils, sweat, grime baked on. Detailers charge extra for it. Dampen a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, not soaking, and gently wipe in sections. Micro scrubbers lift buildup without harsh chemicals or damage to leather or plastic. Rinse eraser often. Factory fresh in minutes for pennies. One eraser lasts multiple cars. Your wheels sticky? This changes everything. Try and tell me. Trick number 5. Dielectric grease on battery terminals. Corrosion kills batteries and causes no starts or electrical ghosts. Shops sell terminal service for $40. Clean terminals with baking soda and water and brush, then coat posts and clamps with dielectric grease. It seals out moisture and oxygen, no future corrosion. $5 tube lasts years. Reapply every oil change. Prevents 90% of battery headaches. Check your terminals lately? Greased? Trick number 4. Emergency fuel door release. Power fuel door fails, you're stranded at the pump. Manual override, check owner's manual. Usually trunk, pull tab, or cable near fuel side behind lining. Bright tab for easy find. Locate yours now. Takes 2 minutes, saves tow fees. Found yours? Where was it hidden? Trick number 3. Plastic bottle tire theft warning. If you spot a plastic bottle wedged in your wheel well or against tire, don't drive off casually. It's sometimes a reported distraction tactic. Bottle pops loudly when moving, you pull over in panic, thief strikes. Drive to safe spot, gas station, or police before checking. Better safe, awareness wins. Ever seen one? What'd you do? Trick number 2. Stop idling longer than 60 seconds. Old myth, long warm-ups protect engines. Modern fuel-injected cars? No. Idling past 30 to 60 seconds dilutes oil, builds carbon, and wastes fuel. Drive gently after short idle. Engine warms faster and cleaner under light load. Adds engine life and saves gas. Still warming up long? Break the habit. Your engine thanks you. And finally, the trick that ties everything together. Trick number 1. Toothpaste on side mirrors. Foggy mirrors in rain or cold kill visibility. Anti-fog sprays fade fast. Thin layer non-gel toothpaste, buff in circles, wipe dry, no rinse. Leaves microfilm that disrupts condensation, mirrors stay clearer weeks. Reapply monthly. Outperforms $10 to $15 products. Fog ever blind you? Toothpaste fix it? If these saved you time, money, or stress, smash like and subscribe. We've got more hidden gems coming. What's your favorite from this list? Comment below and tell a friend who needs these hacks. Drive safe out there.